Welcome back everyone. My name is Ermias, and in today's video we are going to learn basic routes in Next.js 14. So, as you already know, routing in Next.js 14 implements a file system approach. Every route segment is implemented with a folder within the app route. In this particular lecture, we are going to build basic routes for a simple blogging application. Firstly, open your Visual Studio Code and open the terminal and set up our new blog application by typing npx create next app at latest and wait until the installation is completed. Start the application by typing npm run dev. Go to your Chrome and open the application in your browser. Now, the default Next.js application is opened in your browser. Next, go to the app directory and open the page.tsx file. Remove the main section from the home component and add the h1 tag in it. As you can see, the previous contents are removed, but we are still stick to the previous style. Let us remove it. To remove the default style, open the globals.css file and remove the style code snippet except for the tailwind configuration snippets. Returning back to your browser, everything is neat and clean to start our project. But we are going to add a minimal possible style for this project just to make it a bit interesting. For this, open the layout.js file and add the following HTML div element and the style as follow right after the body element. I think with this simple style, it is just become a bit less boring. Now, let's create our first route. Create authors folder right under the app directory. Inside the authors folder, create a page.tsx file. In this file, create a React component called author. And return a div element with author page h1 element in it to indicate that this page is author's page. In my coding experience, I use several extensions that makes my coding experience much easier and smoother. And ES7 React Redux extension, the one that you see, is one of them. I recommend for you to use it. So, after installing the extension, type RAFCE and press enter to generate your first React component and change the code as shown here. Now we can test the first route in the browser. Go to your browser and type /authors. That's it. You just create your first basic routes in Next.js 14. Let's practice a bit more with a couple of other routes. Go to the app directory once again, create a new folder under it, and name it comments. Go to the comments folder and create page.tsx file in it. Open the page.tsx, type RAFCE to generate a basic functional component, then modify the code as follows. Then go to your browser and type /comments, and here we get the comments page. Let's add one additional route for /posts. Go to the app directory, create a new folder called posts. In it, create a new page.tsx file. Then let's create the React component as follows. Now, let's once more go to the browser and type /posts, and we get the posts page. That's it. That is how basic routes works in Next.js. I think you find this video helpful, and in upcoming videos, we will dive more into routing with nested routes, dynamic routes, nested dynamic routes, catch-all routes, and optional catch-all routes. Till then, have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.